at 10 a.m. I'll be going home after 2 long years, so very excited. I got 3 bags with me, 1, 2, and 1 over there. So many exciting things coming up from home. Look at that, it's so misty, foggy morning. I'm getting closer to the airport now. Cozy. So guys, I have reached the airport. Now we shall move to the gate. I usually go where the line is short. This is the gate. Baggage check-in. This is me inside the airport. I still have 1 hour to wait. One step closer to home. It's still misty. I hope this won't delay my flight. One step closer to home. Okay, we're all boarded now, ready to go in 5 long hours. Next time. Landed in Guwahati. This is Guwahati Airport.
धन्यवाद। अब आप इन उड़ान के ही नहीं बल्कि पिछले 1 साल में हमारे साथ की गई उड़ानों के
We have landed in Park finally. We'll go and take my baggage and straight to home. My brother-in-law is waiting for me outside. Took the baggage already outside the gate. This is Manipur Airport. Paling ko re gari lalun tamu tare muone taru taru. Project so apa tu?
Semua gas stesen itu ada tu.
Polo, poko bagai mau kaji ro?
Pulau.
Oh,
Ada kamu pun sama dah.
re, sengang mau tahu dia.
Hai, kita jangan pulang lagi ni lah. Ada.
Pau kìa.
Hello, Pauli.
Apa dah zaman dah orang kaya kìa.
Surprise.
Pau. Pau kìa.
Cô ba mũ thế.
Cô bao mà. Anh tới rồi nó hú. Dog. Kìa. Dog. Dog. Hello. Hello. Finally reached Senapati district. More videos are coming on the way. Remember to like, share for more episodes. Bye guys.